Good morning, everyone,
Good morning.
and thank you, sir. I think, first of all, we all should understand why being stronger is not a choice, it is a necessity.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Deep. It's a deep.
Because, sir and friends, the world is like a battlefield, and everyone is fighting here.
Oh my goodness.
As in the battlefield, only the good soldiers remains. Likewise, in the world, if you are stronger, you remain, and you are weak, you should not remain.
Beautiful.
No one here to praise you without your strength. No one here to praise you without your values. If you are valuable to others, you will be praised. So, your strength is not only about your mindset. Your strength is not only about your physical strength. It is about what you serve to others. As suppose if a person who runs a wine shop, very few people give respect her. But if a person runs a small institute who makes the future of the country, the society and the country as well as the president also respects him. So first, make yourself that you will be capable to serve to others. And second thing, that is pain. How we can understand what we have? Everyone is unique, and everyone has a one unique thing that should be served. How we can check it what we have to serve? So this is all about the situation. Everyone not to be teacher, everyone not to be soldier, everyone not to be doctor. So how can we check it? It is not possible that we should try all the professions. There is only one thing, that is, as Ashish bhai says, reading. We should read some persons, and we should take some small practices. Like if I suppose I will be a great teacher, so I think I should teach 1 month. If I think I will be a great doctor, I think I should work in a hospital for 1 month just. So I know it makes so long, it takes you your 1 year, but it gives you a right direction. So being strong in your field, not be strong in others' field. And second thing, that is challenges, problems. Not problems, challenges. Many people consider them problems, but they are challenges actually. When problems come your life, I think we all should smile. When you smile, your 50% problem will be solved. And other 50% will be solved after taking the actions. So whenever problems come, smile and welcome and said, I am prepared for you. Come, I am prepared for you. As Indian Army says, yes, we have prepared for this movement. Second thing, challenges I considered, we look in the past, we have so many kings. Some successful and some unsuccessful. I read so many kings, but I found only one difference between successful and unsuccessful kings. That is the comfortness and struggle. When Babur left his hometown after passing his father, he attacked on Kabul. He had Kabul, and as he knew that his uncle captured his own throne, he went his hometown. And on the way, he informed that Kabul also captured by your another uncle. Now Babur has nothing, not his patriot throne and not Kabul. He is in between, and he was discombobulated. One of his minister came to him and said, "What should we do?" Then Babur said, "First, we should offer namaz." मिनिस्टर, क्या हुआ? मैदान हार गए, अभी सब कुछ नहीं हारे। वो जज्बा नहीं हारे, वो क्या कहते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं भूल रहा हूँ। वो जज्बा नहीं हारे, वो हिम्मत नहीं हारे, जान है तो सब कुछ पा लेंगे।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली।
और आफ्टर डेट ही प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 6 or 7 months and he was invited by the Daulat Khan Lodi and he attacked Agra and he defeated Ibrahim Lodi and he established a big Mughal empire in India. Because I said this here is because sometimes life breaks our plans, not to destroy our future, to build a better one. So always be positive in any situation as Babur. And we have another example from ancient history, that is Chanakya. He was insulted in Dhananand's court and he accepted. And he challenged him, "I will come here, but you will not there."
You will not be here.
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
I will change you. And he said, I will make a king from the street.
Oh.
Yeah. And he, one day, he go, as usual, he was passing and he saw Chandragupta Maurya. And he trained Chandragupta Maurya, and after that, Chandragupta Maurya became the king of the Magad. And here, one more lesson we have to learn from the Dhananand. Why Dhananand is defeated? Because of his comfortness.
Whoa.
If we are so comfort, a small ant can defeat us.
Yes, absolutely yes.
So please, all we us have to leave our comfortness. As I mentioned in beginning, this world is not a garden, it is a battlefield, and all we are ready to fight. That's all.
The greatest struggle starts after you become something. Before you become something, it is just an effort. Right? Because after you become something, if you stop struggling, somebody will become better than you. So let's say struggle a lot and a lot after being. Right? Like if you have become good speaker, now the main struggle comes here. Let's have more struggles to be better than we are right now. Right? Great lesson has been taught by Mr. Lodi Bhai. Not Lodi Bhai, Tehsin Bhai. Thank you so much.